Al-Mufid, Book 1, page 6. The title, Kha. Kha. This is the first letter that we have so far that should be read with heavy pronunciation. All the letters that we learned so far were letters of light pronunciation. This is the first letter where you need to read it. You must read it with heavy pronunciation. Now, what's the difference? Any letter that you need to read it with light pronunciation, you imagine yourself smiling when you say it. So that smile shape of the mouth, that's where you get the lightness. Ba, ta. Imagine yourself smiling. While with this, the heavy letters, it's actually you open the mouth and let the echoing sound take place. The echo and open mouth. Kha. Kha. Compare it to ba, ta. You feel the shape of the mouth and the face like you're smiling, while with this is different. Kha, kha, kha. So make sure you maintain that. The other, of course, there's a common mistake when saying this letter is to pronounce it as ka. Make sure you say it correctly. Kha, kha. Short, sharp, and heavy. Kha. First line. Ha. Fa, kha. Try to compare the sound. The first two lines, ha, fa, while the third, kha. Kha, ha, kha. Kha, ha, kha. Ha, ba, ha. Ha, ba, ha. Second line. Ha, kha. Ha, ha, kha. Ha. A, ja, ha. A, ja, ha. Fa, kha. Ja, fa, kha. Ja. Third line. Ja, kha. Fa, ja, kha. Fa. Ta, ha, ta. Ta, ha, ta. Ja, ha, fa. Ja, ha, fa. Fourth line. Fa, ba, kha. Fa, ba, kha. Ja, ha, kha. Ja, ha, kha. Kha, ta, ha. Kha, ta, ha. Fifth line. Ja, kha. Fa, ja, kha. Fa, ha. A, ta. Ha, a, ta. Kha, ja, kha. Kha, ja, kha. Now we read the letters. A, ba, ta, fa, ja, ha, kha. Again. A, ba, ta, tha, ja, ha, kha. Now fast. A, ba, ta, tha, ja, ha, kha.